In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an anonymous LLC step by step, so that when you're registering your business, your name and address won't appear in the public records. So whether you're trying to protect your privacy or just want to reduce your exposure to potential frivolous lawsuits, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up an anonymous LLC properly. Now first, let's talk about what is an anonymous LLC, because there's often some confusion around this. An anonymous LLC is when you register an LLC, but you keep the identities of its owners or members off public records. So let's say when someone searches your LLC on the state's website, your name and address won't show up. Versus if you were to register an LLC the typical way, and when someone searches for your LLC on the state's website, your name and address will come up. So having an anonymous LLC is super beneficial because it adds a layer of privacy, especially against any potential frivolous lawsuits or claims. Next, we are going to talk about the exact steps to create an anonymous LLC. And just a big disclaimer, this is not legal advice. It is just based on my own research, and I'm just sharing what I've learned, and this is what I personally do. So your first step is to choose the state that actually allows you to register an LLC without having to disclose all the members' names within the LLC. Because in most states, it is mandatory to list out all the members in the filing process. But there are 3 states that don't have that requirements. And these 3 states are Delaware, New Mexico, and Wyoming. And in my own personal experience, I've always gone with Wyoming. Step 2 is to hire a commercial registered agent. So every LLC must have a registered agent. If you list yourself, that means your name and address is going to become public. So using a professional registered agent will keep your info private. So the commercial registered agent is basically the middleman between the state and your LLC. It can also help you receive any legal documents or mail that you may receive on your behalf. The next step is to file the Articles of Organization. This is simply a document that officially establishes your LLC. It includes basic information like your LLC's name and also your registered agent's name and address. Step number 4 is to use a virtual business address so that you don't have to use your home address. A virtual address prevents people from tracing the LLC back to you. So this keeps the business address from exposing your identity. The next step is to create an operating agreement. This step is generally not required by the state's filing, but it's still crucial to have it set up internally. The purpose of this agreement is to outline any management structure or roles within your own LLC. Step number 6 is to obtain the EIN, which is your employer identification number from the IRS. This is basically the ID number for your LLC, and it's necessary in order for you to file taxes and also open a business bank account. The last step is to maintain ongoing compliance. That includes paying your annual state fees and also filing your annual reports. You want to monitor any communications that comes through your registered agent. They will receive official notices and legal documents on your behalf. If you ever need to file additional paperwork for your LLC, you can go through your registered agent and have them submit it for you. That way you could avoid putting personal information directly on public filing documents, and so you can continue to maintain your privacy. Now, because you need a registered agent and also a virtual business address, the easiest way to handle all of that is to use a formation service. And the one that I personally use is called Bizee. I've used them multiple times to set up my own LLCs, and the process was always seamless, and I've always had a really good experience with them. And just to be transparent, I do have an affiliate relationship with them, so if you do decide to use the link in the description, I may earn a referral fee at no additional cost to you. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating free, useful content just like this. And when you use the direct link I've listed below, it will take you to this page, and I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step. It's very simple, and the whole process only takes a few minutes. So let's go ahead and click on Start My Business. And here we're going to select the entity type. So let's select LLC and select the state. So let's go with Wyoming. And there are 3 different packages. So what I would recommend you to get is either the standard plan or the premium plan, because in the standard plan, it will cover everything that we talked about. The registered agent service, you get 1 month of the virtual address service for free. It includes the filing of the EIN, as well as the operating agreement. And if you prefer to have an expedited filing, then you can consider to go with the premium plan, as that will include the expedited filing, as well as the domain and business email, as well as the first year business phone number. So you can go ahead to compare which plan is best for you. For this example, I would just go with the standard plan. So let me click on standard and just click on get started. So here you would just enter the name of your LLC. So I will just go with my name for this example. And remember to choose a designator. So you could choose any one of these. So I'll just go with the basic LLC. Are you registering an entity containing a word or words in any form of a foreign language? No. So let's click on next. And you can select the state filing time. If you're in a rush, then you can go with the 1 business day filing time. Otherwise, you can just choose the 3 weeks filing time. So let me just go with 3 weeks. Click on next. Here you would just need to put down your first and last name and your email and phone number. When you're done, just click on next. Here you can select the virtual address. This way you can keep your address off public records. You'll get a real physical address for your business, and it's compliant with the state mail requirements. So I'm going to check it and scroll down. And you can input your address here. And this address is only for Bizee to contact you, and it won't be listed in the public records if you choose the virtual address. When you're done, just click on next. And here's your option to upgrade to the premium service package if you want. It includes the contract library, expedited filing, and also the business phone number. So depending on if you need it or if you find value in those things. For this example, I'll just go with no thanks. And you want to select the number of members or owners. So for this example, I'll just select 1. I will check my name, check my address, and just click on next. And here's the registered agent information. So Bizee will give you 1 full year of registered agent service for free with every new business formation. So that's really good value. So I would just make sure to assign Bizee as my registered agent free for 1 year, and then just click on next. And then here is where you will fill out the EIN or the tax identification number information. I will check my name, input my social security number, and then scroll down. You can select your address and then just click on next. And then here you have the option to apply for business checking. So if you want that, you can check it. For this example, I would just say no, not at this time, and then click on next. And you also have the option to have a tax strategy or free consultation. So if you're interested, you definitely can choose that. Otherwise, you can just say I'm not interested at this time. When you're done, just click on next. And then we have the business license research package. So if you want Bizee to help you to conduct research to see what licenses that you would need for your specific type of business, you could consider that. And for now, I would just say no thanks, I'll do the work myself, and click on next. And then here you will see the order summary. So you want to make sure that all the information listed are correct. Let's scroll down. After you confirm everything is accurate, let's click on next. And then here you would just need to enter your billing information. And when you're done, you can just click on complete and pay. And then that is the whole process. So a common question is what happens after you pay? So Bizee is going to prepare and file your documents, create your articles of organization or incorporation, and then file them with the governing agency in your state. They will check your business name's availability. The name you choose is part of your business identity, and they'll make sure that it's available and ready to use in your state. So basically, they will just compile your documents and make the filings for you. And once everything is ready to go, usually within 24 hours, they will forward the documents and your payment to the governing agency in your state. And as far as how do you track your order, you'll be able to track your order status in your Bizee dashboard. A tracking link will also be provided in the order confirmation email. So you'll be able to keep track of your progress inside of your dashboard. And this is how you can set up an Anonymous LLC with Bizee. Hope this video was helpful. If there's any questions, let me know in the comments below, and hope to see you in the next video.